Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to gradient fill text in Photoshop. Now, see this. I have a text. Click Effects and select the gradient overlay. Okay, and use. Now see this menu gradient color. Use customs color. Click the plate and click and type any text. Oh sorry. Select any color. I use for three color. You can use four color as you wish. I use this color green and use color blue. Click new, save. Angle for gradient fill and style liner radial. Angle reflect diamond. I use reflect. Then angle okay up down or use liner. Click to move and use liner. Opacity okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.